Samantala, mula naman sa Integrated Bar of the Philippines, Greater Manila Region,
Eto na.
ang pang-29 na pagkilala ng ating Chief Public Attorney.
Kung ano ang award na ito at kung sino ang tumanggap ng award na ito para sa ating hepe, alamin natin
Hello,
sa report na ito.
#Kapalawers. Ako po si Attorney Kayla Getsemani R. Acosta, Executive Assistant 5 ng Public Attorney's Office. Ako po ngayon ay magre-represent sa pagkuha ng award ng ating butihing Chief Public Attorney Persida V. Rueda Acosta, DSD, sa kanyang award na Integrated Bar of the Philippines Greater Manila Region Lawyer of the Year. Congratulations, Mama Chief Public Attorney Persida V. Rueda, DSD, sa iyong tinaguriang award ngayong araw.
We can't contain our gladness. We want to express our happiness. We're overfilled with joy today. We have a celebration for a good reason. We're done with many nights of weeping. This is our morning of rejoicing. Good vibes in the air, we truly feel. And there's the voice of the people saying.
Hindi pa man nangangalahati ang taong ito ng 2024 ay iginawad na sa ating punong manananggol pambayan ang kanyang pang-29 na award mula ito sa Integrated Bar of the Philippines, IBP Greater Manila Region, kasabay ng paggunita nila sa kanilang golden anniversary. Hindi man ito personal na natanggap ng ating hepe dahil sa naunang international engagement ay nirepresenta naman siya ng isa sa mga malalapit sa kanyang buhay.
The Lawyer of the Year Award. She is an impressive lawyer with a tenure and expertise in legal aid and human rights advocacy, and she has earned her numerous recognition and accolades, including being hailed as a law professor, intergovernmental expert, resource person, and advocacy partner by esteemed institutions. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause as we invite her over here to be received by her daughter, Attorney Kayla R. Acosta. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to Dr. Attorney Persida V. Rueda Acosta.
Chief Acosta, you're defending the people's rights. You keep on fighting the good fight, the justice and public service. You've dedicated your life. You're deeply touching others' lives.
Cases of national and global.
Let's take a moment to view the video message from Dr. Acosta.
Attorney Oliver P. Mateo, Incumbent President of Integrated Bar of the Philippines, IBP Manila 1 Chapter, JBL Reyes Chapter, the Board of Directors of the Chapter, committee members, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, officers of the Manila Greater Manila Region IBP, greetings to all of you this evening. Thank you for the award you have conferred upon me tonight, the IBP GMR Lawyer of the Year Award. It is a great honor to be considered as one of the worthy recipients of this accolade. Your recognition is a great joy to my heart and to the heart of the PAO lawyers and staff. But more than the award, it is a greater joy and honor to be able to serve the underprivileged members of our society. We are in a position to be the voice of the voiceless and to kindle the hearts of those whose hope has been diminished or worse, has been wiped out. Ang mabigyan po sila ng pag-asa, ang patuloy na pagkakaroon ng tiwala sa hustisya at pagkakataong bumangon sa isang bagong umaga sa bagong Pilipinas. Sa lahat ng mga ito ay nagsasagawa ang inyong lingkod ng mga konkretong hakbang upang maisakatuparan ang naisin natin para sa mga nangangailangan. Alam kong kakapit-bisig ko po rito ang IBP sa misyong ito. We are one. Thank you very much once again for your kind words and recognition. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Mabuhay ang sambayanang Pilipino. Mabuhay ang IBP. Mabuhay ang Panginoon.
Nang tanungin namin si Attorney Kayla kung ano ang epekto ng ganitong parangal sa kabuuan ng Public Attorney's Office.
Ang impact nito sa PAW ay mas lalo pang mas makikilala ang magandang serbisyo at kalidad na dedikasyon nito sa mga kliyente.
At sa gabing iyon ay hindi lamang ang ating hepe ang kinilala mula sa Public Attorney's Office, kundi maging ang District Public Attorney ng PAW Manila District na si Attorney Mario Dionisio at si Attorney Victor Reyes, isang retired PAW lawyer na isang voluntary legal aid lawyer ng IBP Manila 1 Chapter sa edad na 80. Bakas ang kasiyahan at kagalakan ni Attorney Kayla sa pagtanggap niya ng parangal para sa ating butihing hepe na kanyang ina.
Ang feeling ko po, syempre proud na proud bilang anak niya. At syempre idol na idol natin ang ating punong manananggol pambayan, Chief Persida V. Rueda Acosta, DSD. Sobrang saya sa feeling kasi ako yung pinili niya maging representative para sa kanyang karangalan. Hi, Mommy Chief! Congratulations! More to come! Yes, let's party! Congrats, oh, it's so pretty.
Chief Acosta, you're defending the people's rights. You keep on fighting the good fight, the justice and public service. You've dedicated your life. You're deeply touching others' lives.
Cases of national and global interest. You've manned the office tirelessly. You've worked hard until they are solved. You've set the bar high in serving the people. You've made the PAW a byword in every household and everywhere, a name to behold.
Chief Acosta, you're defending the people's rights. You keep on fighting the good fight, the justice and public service. You've dedicated
Para sa hashtag Palanews, ako si Gerald Ranyes, kaisa ni PAW Chief Persida Acosta, katarungan, laban sa kahirapan.
Chief Acosta, you're defending